What's up, XRP holders? We are about to enter the final phase here of the bull run, the final leg higher, where the biggest gains are about to be realized here. And I want to talk about the most important things that you need to be aware of right now if you're invested in XRP. So guys, first off, we are here on the monthly time frame for XRP, and on the left hand side of the screen you can see the price action from 2017, and on the right hand side of the screen you can see the current price action. Now what is key to understand is that bull runs are typically very fast and very sharp to the upside. We can see that in 2017 we had 3 months of upside, then we had 6 months of sideways price action or a correction phase, and then we had the final 1 or 2 months to the upside in this blow off top move here from 2017 before eventually a huge bear market for crypto, and in this case for XRP. Now if you focus on the right hand side screen, so this is actually the price action from now. We had an initial rally here in 2024 for XRP, massive pump, then we had a sideways phase or a 6 months of correction, and right now I believe that we are in the final and blow off top move here to the upside for XRP in this current bull run. So I believe that the next few months here of 2025 is where you want to be invested in XRP and where the biggest gains are about to be realized. And also guys, if we take a look at the altcoin season index, we can see that we're currently at 41, so there is still a lot of room left here to the upside. Typically whenever this meter goes above 75, you want to lock in some profits because we always see a pullback in altcoins, in this case for XRP, after we go above 75. So pay attention to that. And in about an hour and 30 minutes or so from the point of recording, we will have the next FOMC meeting where they will announce the interest rate decision. And currently the consensus is that there will be no change here, a 96.9% probability. But if there is any surprise, then we will of course see massive volatility in the crypto market. But what is more importantly is actually the press conference from Jerome Powell. If he is more dovish, then markets could of course pump higher, and if he is more hawkish, then we could expect more, I would say, bearish pressure in the crypto market. So pay very close attention to that. Historically, we always tend to see a lot of volatility in crypto, and in this case for XRP after FOMC meetings. This is the 2 daily time frame for XRP going all the way back to the end of January of 2025, and you can see that after that FOMC meeting we had a correction of roughly 43% in a time span of a week, and after the FOMC meeting from the 19th of March we had a 37% downward move in the price action of XRP in a time span of 2 or 3 weeks, and the one after that was actually positive plus 27%, and the latest one actually minus 12%. So pay very close attention. This event could definitely trigger a lot of volatility for crypto, and in this case for XRP. Now what I expect is for XRP to hold support. We're currently trading above that very important $3 zone. We have been struggling with this level basically since the end of last year. Multiple rejection points, even a fake out in January, but we are right now holding nicely above this area with multiple weekly candles. So yeah, as long as we're holding above the $3 zone with weekly candles, guys, I'm still focused on the upside, and I still expect that XRP could see a very positive here end of the third quarter and maybe even a fourth quarter as well. And what is also interesting is this upward sloping trend line. I already notified you guys about this trend line in the past few videos, but if we break this trend line, which has been in place since 2021, then XRP could really go parabolic. Bitcoin also had a similar trend line since 2021, and Bitcoin already broke out and saw massive continuation. So yeah, is XRP about to follow? I think there is a high probability. And the last chart that I want to show you guys is actually XRP on the 2 monthly time frame. On the bottom side of the screen we have the stochastic RSI, which is right now overbought. That same thing happened in 2017. After that first initial push to the upside, we had a correction of 6 months in this triangle. The stochastic RSI already peaked, and eventually we had a last and final push to the upside in 2017 when the stochastic RSI was already moving to the downside. And I believe that the same thing could happen right now. We are massively overbought on the stochastic RSI. We peaked in that first initial pump. We had a correction, and I think that the final move, this blow off top move here in 2025, is imminent for XRP. That was it for today's quick analysis. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and of course follow me over on Instagram because I'm posting additional XRP and crypto content over there. Check it out. The links are down below in the video description.